This is part 2 of our Darkfield Illumination video. You can watch part 1 here. In our previous video, we said that Darkfield works by illuminating a slide from the bottom. The direct light will be absorbed by a direct light blockage. However, the indirect light will be scattered by the sample towards the objective. This causes specimens to appear bright against a dark background. The direct light blockage can be a dark field condenser. The dark field condenser redirects the light into a circle. This will block any direct light from reaching the objective. However, the scattered light can reach the objective and produce a dark field effect. This can also be achieved using a dark field patch stop filter, which will act as the direct light blockage. A dark field patch stop filter can basically be any clear ring with a black circle in the middle. In this clip, I place a dark field patch stop filter inside the filter holder. This causes the bright field illumination to change to dark field. However, when the dark field patch stop filter is removed, the onion epidermis returns back to bright field. In some microscopes, the filter holder can swing in and out of place. If the filter holder was placed right in the middle, it can act as a direct light blockage. This will cause the view to be illuminated by dark field as seen here. The black ring inside of a patch stop filter needs to be the right size. If it was too big, it will block some of the scattered light, but if it was too small, it will let some of the direct light reach the slide. If the black ring or the transparent disc were a different color, they will produce an illumination known as Reinberg illumination. Reinberg illumination produces views which look like this. The background takes the color of the central disc, and if the surrounding ring was colored, the specimens will take its color. For the rest of the video, I'll be showing clips of microorganisms illuminated with dark field. And that's the end of our video. Bye, see you next time.